Samphire, or sea asparagus, is a commodity that's difficult and expensive to obtain. We've taken on the challenging task of growing this ourselves. We've created a dynamic pickle recipe that's the ultimate complement to any fish dish, and we'll use this at our college training restaurant and also distribute it to local restaurants, raising the profile and bringing the accompaniment back to the plate and reunited with the fish. In the southwest there's an abundance of fresh fish, and Samphire, which makes for the ultimate complement to any fish dish. After identifying Samphire was difficult and an expensive commodity to source, the team decided to take on the challenge of growing it themselves in order to produce this dynamic pickle recipe. The students at the college worked in collaboration on the project. Carpentry students built the plant beds, horticultural students were responsible for the sowing, the growing and the nurturing of the Samphire, and the business students have been tasked with reintroducing this product to the local market. The catering students worked hard on creating this pickle recipe, which is now used at the college training restaurant. Samphire is not actually that commercially available at the moment due to many British suppliers taking the view that it's just not commercially viable to grow at this time of year. We specifically wanted to use it. It can be imported, but the current source of this is Israel and the Middle East. It's not proved easy to grow, and that's for sure. We've experimented with different methods and learnt lessons each time. Of course, it's an estuary plant, and we're operating on a land environment without any tides. We've created a brand new growing area with sand and silt, and we are in the process of setting up a water system with a timer to deliver salt water twice daily on the basis to replicate the natural conditions of the tide. We think that we could potentially get some income from the Samphire pickle and the savings that we will make by not actually buying it in ourselves. We hope to create additional sales of the dishes through our training restaurant, which incorporates the Mitch Tonks Seafood Academy, and we hope to create a sought after product that could lead to additional sales to those local restaurants and members of the public. Local businesses can benefit from it by using this product to complement their fresh fish. Learners from a wide range of areas can benefit by understanding the concept of taking a raw material at source and the steps that are required to get it to the fork. This is an innovative and unique project. It really shows that by taking something so small and simple, we have involved all departments, learners, local employers, suppliers, the community, and promoted engagement between us all. This has spanned a huge range of learners from different abilities. From the innovation of how to grow it, promote ideas involving research, and the realistic challenge of problem solving. South Devon College recognises the importance of its location, and particularly in relation to the local fishing town of Brixham. Here we have engaged with local businesses that are linked both directly and indirectly by this. Examples of this being food businesses, manufacturers and restaurants. This is achieved by apprenticeships, business forums and working in partnership schemes. We have also received feedback from public demonstrations and tastings from our catering van on the road at pop-up restaurant locations, events and local food festivals. This project has been incorporated into our events, hospitality and tourism management degree programme as their marketing model, with a focus on how to package this as a marketable product and sell it. Another area of interest that we have identified in pursuing this is similar to how reed beds are used to filter organic compost. In theory, Samphire could actually do the same with seawater, maybe being used for an oyster bed or lobster hatchery, something that we are going to experiment with going forward. Conceptually, you could have a series of these Samphire beds that seawater could just filter through. Going forward with climate change and rising water levels, we're looking at how to work with the sea. This is a key message going forward for us, and we think it should be encouraged globally. We have this in mind for all future projects that we're undertaking, and these form part of our sustainability agenda, particularly given our coastal location. We've engaged with various stakeholders to obtain our market research, in particular from local employers. This has progressed to our pop-up restaurant tour that the college runs across the region. Tutors that coordinate our work experience visit the workplace on a regular basis, but also engage with our local suppliers. With regard to scaling up the project, we're now working on several different methods. with the focus being on A, to grow a regular crop going forward, B, expand our production,